If you suffer from dry airways, you can optionally use the humidifier prismaAQUA. At first, I would like to show you how to fill the humidifier with water. Open the humidifier by grasping the lower recess on the rear of the prismaAQUA and open the top. Here you have the water chamber. Please have a look at the scale. You can fill the water chamber with up to 400 milliliters of fresh, cold water. Then close the humidifier and connect it to the therapy device. To connect the prismaAQUA to your therapy device, press the release catch and remove the cover. Then slide the prismaAQUA on the side of the therapy device. You will see automatically the sign for the prismaAQUA on the left side of the display. By pressing the drop, you can activate a preheating function. Increase the humidification level if your airways feel dry during therapy. Choose a lower level of humidification if condensation builds up in the breathing tube during therapy. If those problems persist, ask your dealer about the heatable tube prismaHibernite. When you start the therapy, the prismaAQUA will be automatically activated. When you stop your therapy, the prismaAQUA will also be automatically deactivated.